The MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter 60111 is a universal fit unit that offers a broad range of applications, making it a versatile choice for many vehicle makes and models. Constructed with a robust spun body design, the 60111 catalytic converter is built from durable stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance and optimal performance. This catalytic converter is compliant with Federal Environmental Protection Agency standards, having undergone extensive testing and certification processes to ensure it meets emissions requirements. The MagnaFlow 6011 is of HM grade, meaning it contains extra catalysts for improved conversion of unwanted emissions, increasing its overall efficiency. Installation of this universal catalytic converter often requires professional skills, including welding, cutting, and tube bending, but it allows for precise placement and orientation tailored to your vehicle. The MagnaFlow 60111 catalytic converter comes with a 5-year or 50,000-mile warranty, providing worry-free ownership and confirming the manufacturer's confidence in its longevity and reliability.